Okay, we're going to take 3 short hikes to see 3 waterfalls located in Shenandoah National Park. Unfortunately, to see these waterfalls, you're going to have to leave the Appalachian Trail. First stop is the Upper White Oak Falls. I recommend leaving from the Limberlost Trailhead parking area. This will be about a 2.5 mile moderate hike each way. Noteworthy is the 1.3 mile Limberlost ADA circuit. From the Limberlost Trail, you'll soon turn right on the White Oak Canyon Trail, and you'll begin your hike downhill to the falls. Next stop is the Big Meadows Amphitheater parking area, where we'll hike to Lewis Falls. I recommend beginning at the trailhead entrance closest to the amphitheater, so you can knock out the hard part of the hike early. This is a moderate 3.3 mile hike. The trail is quite rocky. You must cross the creek that feeds the falls. You can do it here, or about 10 yards upstream, there's a safer crossing point. You'll complete your loop by hiking uphill toward the Appalachian Trail. Our next stop is the Overall Run Falls. We're going to hike to the falls from the Matthew Arms campground. An easy hike until you find a rattler in your path. This removal technique is not recommended for amateurs.
Whoa!
We really couldn't find a good viewing point of the Overall Run Falls, so those falls were a little bit disappointing. I'd say that my favorite on this trip to Shenandoah was the Lewis Falls. Once you discover that you can cross the creek and there's a great viewing point on the other side, you get a great view of those falls. Enjoy your hikes, stay safe, and don't mess with the rattlers.